are going to make whistles of straw.
What do we need for that?
We need straws and scissors.
Okay. How do we make it? We will take straw and
scissors.
scissor.
Then my mom will cut it like this and put some tape.
For cutting it, we will just flatten out the straw.
Yep. Like this.
And then, after flattening out the straw, we will cut it like this. Snip it from one side
To another side.
and then
Do the other
like
side.
this on the other side. And this is our whistle ready.
I'm not very good.
You can try to blow it. And
Tip.
now I will
Tip.
make another one. You don't need it. Try it. And we will make another
How
one
much
for
do
see
I need?
you.
About this much?
Yeah. I will make another one. While blowing this whistle, you don't have to put it all the way in the mouth or else little bit in the mouth. You don't have to press so much that air will not go from there. Okay?
Yep.
So girls, can you help me out to show them?
Yes.
Show us how to blow.
First, have this much. Have this.
And we have to hold it like this.
And we have a egg. And we
And
have
we
a
have to
one.
hold it like this.
We
Not
have
like
to-
this. We will not hold it like this. We will hold it like this while putting in the mouth. Right? Yes?
Now I'll try to scare you away. Let's both do it together. And on the count of 3, 2, 1. This much. Then I tried orange. Try your green, okay? Where's your green? Oh. And the count of 3, 2, 1.